Hey guys, and welcome to Pixel Cherry Ninja's channel. In this video today we are going to be talking about the NES, the Nintendo Entertainment System, and in particular the MiSTer-FPGA core, because it is so accurate now that in a testing tool it scores maximum marks. And here's the funny thing, if you have an original NES it may not score maximum marks in this test. Let's say for example you bought two Nintendos back in the day from the same store at the same time and they had the same amount of use, roughly speaking. Now if you run this test ROM on there, it may not score maximum marks and the two may not score exactly the same marks. The MiSTer is getting maximum marks in this, and this is why I wanted to do this video, because I've kind of neglected the NES. I haven't played it for years. I did a stream recently and I was like, wow, this is actually a lot of fun. I grew up playing it. Some of my favorite games are actually on the NES. Super Mario Bros. 2, yes, you can laugh at me, but I love that game. Mega Man 2, Contra, the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles game was a favorite, even though it was very, very difficult. Now this core is so freaking accurate. I've heard people, lifelong NES fans, saying that it is so good that they are ready to throw their hardware away. I don't think they will throw their hardware away. They'll probably put it in a cupboard, but the MiSTer comes with all the bells and whistles. You can attach it to a modern display, you can play it via HDMI, you can use original accessories via snack, so wherever you want to use your controller, your light gun, it just does it all. Now I have to give a shout out to all of the MiSTer development team, but in particular Kitrinks, because she's been doing these new updates. Now these updates, they're not available via update tool, so if you do want to get this core, check the link in the description. I will leave a link to the latest core, which is available on the MiSTer-FPGA Discord server under test builds. I always know test builds and unstable nightlies are up there, but I don't always look at them. And how I actually found out about this through Porkshop Express, the owner of MiSTer Add-ons. They posted a tweet where they said the NES core was just updated and now scores 128 out of 128 on Accuracy Coin's latest benchmark. You have to set PPU reset behavior to NES in the core's OSD options, or else you'll get 127 out of 128. So a tip there guys, just make sure you set PPU reset behavior to NES in the core's OSD options in order to get 128 out of 128. So what exactly is Accuracy Coin? Now I didn't know much about this. I've done a little bit of research and I've got I'll say little TLDR. So Accuracy Coin is a special testing tool made for the original Nintendo Entertainment System NES. It's designed to check whether a modern emulator or hardware recreation like FPGA based systems behave exactly like the real console. So is the MiSTer core behaving like the console? It works by running 128 small tests that look at how the NES actually functions, including its graphics, sound, memory and timing. Each test shows a pass or fail message, so you instantly know if your emulator is accurate. If a test fails, it even gives you an error code that helps developers track down what went wrong. There are also a few special draw tests that don't pass or fail but show helpful information about what's happening inside the system, making it easier to see where differences might appear. Accuracy Coin goes deep into NES's inner workings, testing how it draws graphics, plays sound, and handles tricky things like interrupts, bus timings and hidden hardware quirks that many emulators get wrong. In short, Accuracy Coin is like a lie detector for NES clones and emulators. It tells you whether what you've built or are using behaves just like the real console. No shortcuts, no cheats, just pure accuracy. So guys, this is freaking amazing. Go and test this NES core out now. If you grew up playing the NES, then definitely try this out, because this is going to be the most accurate experience. Or if you've not played the NES, it's a great system to play. There are great games on there. I actually forgot to mention Castlevania, the original Castlevania. That was one of my favorite games as well. Never completed it as a kid, but I probably still suck at it. Anyway guys, this is it for this video. MiSTer is freaking awesome. The MiSTer is king. And a shout out to everyone that makes the whole scene so awesome, in particular Kitrinks, for all the work she's been doing on this core lately. Anyway guys, be freaking awesome to one another. This is Pixel Cherry Ninja out.